Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a tutorial on this eye makeup look right here. It is a copper blue smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoy this look. Let's get right into it. As always, if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you do like it, and definitely hit that notification bell so that you never miss a video from me. Also, do follow me on Instagram. I do a lot of mini skincare tips and tricks and makeup tips and tricks and things like that on there. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, then definitely do follow me on Instagram. Let's start. Starting off with that shade from the Morphe 35W palette, I'm just going to start to apply it with a MAC 217 brush into my crease. I'm also going to kind of bring it to the inner corner and also down in my outer V. I built that color all the way like you can see now, and it took a while to do that, but I kept building on to that color, after which I'm taking that black eyeshadow from the same palette and I'm going to start to apply it to my outer corner and smoking that out with the same brush. Want to make sure you keep building these colors till you reach your desired intensity. It does take a while, but you should keep building them. Moving on, taking this eyeshadow from Stila, I'm going to drench the eyeshadow in water like you can see, because that is the only way I'm going to get that much color payoff. Swirling my brush into that eyeshadow and then applying it to my eyes. Like you can see, wetting the eyeshadow has really amped up the color payoff of this shadow. Doing the same thing on the other eye as well, applying it from the inner corner till about midway, or rather till we applied the black. After which I'm applying more of that black eyeshadow and intensifying the outer corner of the eyes, doing the same on both the eyelids. Next, I'm taking this royal blue gel eyeliner from L'Oreal on an angled brush. It's a small angled brush and I'm going to apply it starting from the inner corner, going all the way till the outside, filling it in like you can see. After which I am creating the wing of this eyeliner. So this is all in real time, this part right here. So basically just creating the wing and then joining it to the inner corner. If you want to see a video on how I do my winged eyeliner, it is there on Instagram. It is a very quick and very clear video on how to apply a winged liner. So once I'm done with the top part of that eye, I am taking the same eyeliner and I'm going to be applying it into my waterline, like you can see, with an angled brush, just till about 3/4 of the way into my waterline. And then I'm going to apply it under my waterline. And you gotta work a little quickly with this since it is gel eyeliner. So as soon as I'm done applying that, I take a pencil blending brush and I just start to blend that out. Basically smoke that out right till where I have applied that gel eyeliner. Once I'm done with that, I am taking that same brush and I'm taking that Stila eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it from the inner corner of my eye till about where I have smoked out that blue, as you can see. Next, I'm using this Maybelline Big Shot Mascara and I'm just going to apply a generous layer of mascara to my top and bottom lashes. So after this point, I kind of looked at the look and I wasn't very happy with the intensity. I felt like something was missing. So I went ahead and took that glitter liner from Revlon and I applied it sparsely all over that Stila eyeshadow on my eyelid. And as you can see, you'll probably see after I have finished applying it that this has really spruced up the entire look. So I'm just applying that on both my eyes. I'm applying it very sparsely, nothing too intense, not covering the entire eye with glitter. After which I applied the M75 lashes by PAC and I'm just applying those like you can see. I do have a video on how to apply false lashes on my Instagram as well. So this is it with the eye look. We're done. I love how this one turned out. Copper and blue makes such a beautiful combination, and it's not a combination that you would really think about. But finishing the look off with this matte lip crayon by Nykaa. It is in the shade Lacy Luck and I'm just going to apply that all over my lips. And that's it guys, we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and I will see you in my next video. But before you go, just take a look at this little snippet of how this look turned out.